Awesome, thank you.
Have a good rest of your day.
You too.
Is your strut completely snapped?
Yes.
Is that what that?
Yeah, it's broken in half.
Oh shit. And you drove it like this?
Oh, yeah, dude.
Going 70?
A little broken shock action, no matter. Be alright.
Oh man. Let me see the pretty parts. Oh, that's so nice. Hell yeah, dude. This is so nice on the inside.
Inside.
Oh my god.
Okay, so we have Blue, Evo, Duramax. Oh, let's say that word. What else do we got that I need extensive work on?
RS?
Let's do Bobby's STI. TI. Oh, M3. Can't forget with the M3.
Oh, dude, you have so many cars you're forgetting what you have.
What? We have one more car we can put up here that needs
Rose.
extensive work.
I mean, what other?
Here, I'll do this. Let's put a line right here. Black, Evo, Evo X.
Dude, what are you gonna do to your Evo X?
I don't know yet. I need to change the oil on it.
Change. That's all.
Black Evo. Clunk. Front.
Paint. What are you gonna? Oh, wait, no, wrap. You're in this.
Wrap. Okay, Blue Evo. So I need to order that. Duramax. This is my favorite part. Lift. Buy a box for it. M3. God damn it. This is getting long. Injectors, fuel pump. Okay. That's a lot of stuff I need to order.
Oh, damn, son.
Oops. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. To get today started off, we kind of just busted out a... That truck is loud. We wrote down a ton of stuff that we need to get done on cars, shop stuff, and the new Duramax as well. So this is what we got going on. A ton of stuff for the Blue Evo, ton of stuff for the Duramax, ton of stuff for Bobby's car, M3. Black Evo needs a little love. This Evo needs some love, and shop stuff.
It's the only spaghetti ticket I've ever gotten in my whole life.
Bobby Lorraine.
I know. Well, it's easy.
Well, let's see how fast you're going.
Yeah, I say
55 on 35 is my guess.
50.
Oh, 13 over. That's not bad. You could have been going a little bit faster
And
than
he's
that.
a state trooper, so.
You speed everywhere you go. Everywhere.
Yeah, when I was following you, I think you're going fast.
Yeah, she holds ass. So now you know. This is your consequence. You have learned your lesson, son.
But babe, you've gotten tickets probably like 200 times in your life. So.
All right, so here's the current plan. We kind of ran out of space in the shop already with all of the new vehicle purchases. So we are gonna have to keep at least one of these cars here in the garage full time. And I think I'm gonna keep the Evo 8 there, and then we should have enough space. We need to get the Duramax in here and start working on that thing ASAP. So we got the Evo 10 up and running. Now on the Evo 8, come over to my list. We have a front end clunk that we need to get fixed, and then boost gauge as well. I want to relocate that into the digital clock. We're not going to do that today, but I want to figure out what's going on with this front end clunk. So let's get that car up in the air and see what's going on. Holy fuck. Hi. No, not oil. See a lot of grease. So the first thing I noticed when you jack up the car is that. So whenever you take off from a stop, or it's not every single time, it's intermittently, something clunks really, really bad, and I'm guessing it has something to do with a floppy CV axle. I hope we caught that tear in the CV boot early enough to where it didn't destroy the actual joint itself. So we can go ahead and swap out the boot, put some new grease in there. Since we've had this engine and the whole drivetrain out of this car so many times, I'm gonna go through and retorque everything, make sure the subframe is tight, make sure all of our suspension components are tight, just try to narrow it down to, hopefully it's just that CV axle that is clinking around. It's Sunday right now, Napa's closed. I know Napa carries those inner CV axle boot kits, or at least is open. I don't think they have them, but I could be wrong. I've been wrong before. And O'Reilly's is closer too. Answer, please.
How can I help you?
I am looking for a inner CV axle boot kit, and it's for a 2003 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution.
You're looking for the inner.
Yeah, the inner boot kit for the front.
For the CV axle or for?
Yeah, CV axle.
We can have it Tuesday.
Tuesday, shoot. So I called Napa, closed, O'Reilly's doesn't have it, AutoZone doesn't have it, Advanced Auto doesn't have it. So what we're gonna do is just push this car aside. I'll fix it tomorrow or maybe some other day. But yeah, let's get this thing out of the shop, and I'm gonna pull in the truck and figure out something to do on that. That truck needs so much work.
You're gonna pull in the what?
Truck. We could start pulling the bed off today. Should we?
If that's what you want.
Wow, she doesn't even burn. So annoying, so squeaky. Find one more thing. This is why you have to write everything down. Try. The list keeps growing. Oh wait, one more thing for your car. Remember your fender liner? Oh wait, seat belt too, remember? Wait, we have to order that. All right, so Eva 10 goes back there. Right? Yeah. Fit. Wow. All the space in the world to do it. Here's the game plan. We're gonna get started pulling the box off this truck. So I have found 3 or 4, maybe 5 block beds here locally, or within like 500 miles, which is easily drivable, doable. So we're gonna just start ripping everything off. I don't know if we're gonna get the actual box off today or not, especially with only 2 people here. We might need some more muscle here to get it off because we don't have a lift yet. Hopefully soon. Start off by pulling tailgate or the bumper, taillight. I'm sure this has to come out. This probably, the bolts are probably under that. I don't really know. Never done this before, so let's do it. There's a ton of good parts up here still. I think that's the backup camera, I'm guessing.
Oh yeah.
That's probably still fine, so we do. Okay. I'll do that later. I want to try to get, I should probably organize the toolbox someday. Okay, how do these come out without breaking them? Oops. That sucks. There, bolt there. One more bolt. It's not strong, so lift it up a little bit.
Ooh, that's pretty.
It's what?
It's pretty light.
I'm just really damn strong.
Oh.
All right, grab a side, let's go.
What?
Grab a side, let's pull it off.
Are you joking?
No?
How much would you say it weighs?
That'd be kind of fun. 500, 600 pounds?
No.
Okay, well, here. Let's try to get this bumper off together. So I couldn't get the bumper off because it hits, if you come here. Oh, now it'll come off. So before it was, when the bed was bolted all the way down, it was hitting right there. So it's kind of bent up a little bit. But now that we got our floppy bed, this is way easier than I thought it'd be. 8 bolts for the bed, and that's it.
There we go.
I really just want to pull the bed off now.
We got a dinner to go to.
Can I call Austin and tell him to come help?
Tomorrow you can.
We still need that. Probably gonna need a lot of parts off there. Does anything look bent? Straight as a doorknob. Or doorknob straight?
I don't know.
No, she's completely straight. I want to pull everything apart and paint it all. Like the frame.
Baby?
Maybe paint my pimple too.
Yeah.
Okay. There's only one other thing we have to pull off real quick.
Okay, what?
The filler neck.
The what?
This neck right here. As soon as you get that off, I think the bed's pretty much ready to go. Can I take it off real quick?
No.
Too bad. I need a floppy for that one. What does that remind you of? Now, watch this. Got some dizzle. Beautiful. Now.
Can I try?
Can you get it?
But it's really heavy.
Should we try?
No.
What if we just slide it off?
Baby, I literally will drop it. I just got lightheaded doing that.
Alright, I'm gonna lift it up, look under, make sure there's like no.
Everything looks good. Whoa!
Okay. It's not with this room.
No.
We got the box loose, but I have a strong feeling it's gonna slide forward and smash the cab if we keep going down this path, so it's a pretty good stopping point. The shop's a mess, but it's all good. So there are two other little things on the car that I want to fix that I noticed on the way home. First thing is the driver's side seatbelt buckle is broken. It's always been broken ever since I put the Brahms in here. I must have done something weird with it and it no longer clicks. So I need to get that fixed. And then there's a very annoying rattle on D-cell, almost like some sort of loose heat shield or something. So I want to get that fixed as well. All in due time. That's gonna be it for today, boys. Hope you enjoyed. Really trying to get a new box here soon, maybe even tomorrow. So if you know of one, or you own one that you're selling, preferably black, but I'm willing to paint it, hit me up on Instagram. I know of a few local already, but if they're not in good condition, I really want to just slap something on there and be done with it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.